I made these crepes with a filling inside for breakfast, and my family couldn't get enough of it. Today I'm going to share how I made it. In a bowl, I added 1 cup of all-purpose flour for our dry ingredients. In another plate, I'll be adding 2 eggs, and I went in with 1 tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, and 1.5 cup of milk. Please, you can use any milk of your choice. What I use here is a powdered milk I mixed with water. If you wish to use only water, it is also good. It is optional. So I went in with my spatula to mix, and then I went in with the dry ingredients, being the flour. We are going to mix this until smooth, leaving no lumps. I went in with my whisk because the spatula wasn't really doing the job. I whisk until very smooth. This is how you are going to mix it so you get a very smooth and nice batter without lumps inside. So here I have my sardine. I opened this and I took out the oil inside. Please, this is very important. Do not eat sardine oil. It has so many preservatives in them. So here I'm prepping my carrots because I'll be using it for my filling. I cut my carrots and my onion. Please, this filling is optional. You can use meat, you can use cheese, anything that you can get your hands on, anything that you are comfortable with, it goes to. So here I added my olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I noticed the oil was too much. I had to reduce it, and then I went in with the butter. Please, when you have added the butter, make sure you are swapping it so it goes around the pan, just like the way you are seeing it. So my loves, if you have watched to this extent, please give this video a thumbs up and tell me where you are watching me from so I can give you a hug or even say thank you in my next video. We are going to do this for 1 minute, then another 1 minute on the other side, and then we are having these very light crepes. This is how I'll be repeating the rest of the batter till I'm done toasting them or till I'm done cooking them. So my loves, do not mind this voice. I was just this is just early morning over here, and I had to do this so my kids will not disturb me in the daytime. So this is the only opportunity that I have to make this video. Thank you so much for your understanding. So after toasting all, I had about 7 pieces of crepes. Using 1 cup of flour, I had 7 pieces of crepes. If you needed more of it, you can double the quantity, like you can double the flour and the other ingredients that I used. In a pot, I added my cooking oil, went in with my onion, fry on that. Then I went in with carrots, the carrot that we diced earlier, mix them together, or rather fry them together, and then I went in with a pinch of salt, just very little, because the sardine has salt already, like it is salty already. I went in with the sardine, gave it a mix. I discovered that the sardine is not enough, so I went in with another tin of sardine, so to increase the filling. Mix very well so they marry each other without putting any asunder. So my loves, as I said earlier, you can do you on this very part. Okay, you can use any filling. So if you are using meat, you can even add cheese in it. So here it's time for to make our edible gum. I added 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour and water. Just keep mixing it until you get a thick and not too thick consistency. I went in with my whisk for that very smooth batter. So this is going to serve as our gum. So this is our crepe. I went in with the filling that we made earlier. Then I had to apply or add this gum at the edges so it will help stick together and to prevent it opening during the time I will be toasting it. We are going to be making a square shape with the crepe. Just fold in the first one, the second one, and then apply more gum so it will hold up, like it will be firm. Okay, apply more gums on the edges from the up and to the down also. Then fold the other side just to give us a beautiful square shape. It is square or rectangle whatever. So this is how we are going to fold for a smooth square shape. As you can see, my love, isn't it looking beautiful? It is so nice. Go ahead and repeat the same procedures with the other crepes that we have. Go in with the gum, make sure that the gum is enough, the edible gum is enough, so it will not pop up or open up the time we are toasting it. So my loves, we are done wrapping our crepes. Now it's time to toast. In a pan, add in a very little oil. Go in with the crepes, leave it to toast for about 1 minute. Flip to the other side to toast also. You have to be careful, you have to monitor it so it will not get burnt. After that, this is what we are having, a very yummy crepesy crepes. You don't need to leave it in the pan for a very long time. This color is a deal color for it. It doesn't need to get burnt. So this is how I will be repeating the other crepes until I have something like this. Isn't it nice? Oh my goodness, you see these crepes, it tasted so good. My kids loved it, my whole family loved it. Like, it was so good. We couldn't get enough of it. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video interesting, please like and share and subscribe to our channel for more yummy and good recipes like this. Bye.